Hey, 5th and 6th grade leaders, we are going to be kicking off the month of September with the big idea of an initiative. Initiative is seeing what needs to be done and doing it. We are also going to be focusing on Nehemiah for the whole month of September. This week we're going to be diving into Nehemiah chapter 5 verses 1 through 12, where we discover that everyone was building a wall, but an issue came up where the Israelites were actually mistreating each other. Nehemiah cared enough to find a solution. We're looking at two things. We're going to look at a key question for our preteens that says, who do you see being treated unfairly? This is a great opportunity for kids maybe to discuss bullying issues, and also for them to allow them to start discovering and looking at needs around them and being empathetic to them. As kids go into the discussion questions, be sensitive. If bullying is something that gets brought up, be sensitive to it, allow it to take place, and allow to talk through it so that these kids feel like this is a safe and trusted place to discuss these types of issues. All right, our bottom line this week is don't wait for someone else to help people in need. We hope that the kids also realize that when they help others, they're being more Christ-like, their faith is growing, and those actions can actually point people back to Jesus. So there's a lot contained this week. All right, as the kiddos arrive, we're going to do something different. We're just going to do some icebreakers with the 5th and 6th graders. So as they arrive, there'll be an icebreaker for you to do with them. And then I'm going to allow you to play a game in there, and we're going to do a game in our large group, and then we'll bring the 5th and 6th graders in just for worship time and the story. Then when you go back, there'll be two activities. The first activity is kind of just a snapshot of the Bible story review. What you're going to do is you're going to open the Bible and have the kids open the Bible with you and review the verses from 1 through 12. Then you're going to ask them just some basic review questions. There are 1, 2, 3, there's like 4 review questions. Then from there, I want you to go right into their discussion questions that are a little bit more specific, like why is it difficult to stand up for someone and when is it easy? This is maybe where you see that bullying becomes a topic of discussion. And so allow the kids to share that with you, take moments to pray with them. If it gets too serious, have the kiddo table that and then talk to them after class, or even bring me in if needed, just so that we can talk through that, because some topics get a little bit too heavy for the small group discussions. I want you to divide up into boys and girls, and hopefully soon we'll have enough leaders that we can actually divide 5th and 6th graders as well as boys and girls. All right, don't forget that we do huddle up time 25 minutes before the start of class. I want to gather up with you, huddle up with you, pray with you, see how you're doing. And then we're going to close in prayer time as your final activity. All right, hope you're having a great week, and I will see you Sunday at huddle up time.